How to make your Coinbase wallet public. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your Coinbase wallet public. So first thing we do is we go to Coinbase, and this is the home page. As you can see, now you need to choose the settings icon here down below. Click on it, and now click on profile here, the first option. And as you can see here, you can click on public and your profile and wallet will be public. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end.